In this video, we are going to see that if you want to hide the year from your clock and you just want to show any particular day like Tuesday or only the year, only the month, how we can easily do that. So what we can do is just open up the start menu and just right here, settings. You will get this option, click on settings. And from here, just click on time and language on the left-hand corner. And here we have time zones, we have regions, and we have date and time. That is the option where we want to go in. Just click on that. So here you can show or hide time in the system tray. So here it is shown, but let's say that you want to completely hide this. All you have to do is just turn this off and it is completely gone. So that is a very useful option. You can also sync now. If you see some other date than the current one, you can just click on sync now. It will show you the current date. Alternatively, what you can do is if you want to see the settings where you manually used to change the date, you want to customize the date and time format and so on, like you used to do in Windows 10, what you can do is just open up the control panel. And here we have clock and region, we have the date and time option. Let's click on set the time and date and you will get back those settings that you used to set in Windows 7, Windows 10 and all the previous versions. So change date and time, change calendar settings and additional settings. And let's say here, instead of showing nothing, I just want to show the month. So MMMM is for the complete month name. Or if you want to just show the complete day like Monday, Tuesday, D, apply and OK, apply, OK, OK and OK. Let's now try to access that. Right now it's hidden. I'll just go to settings, go back to time and language, date and time. And now even if we show the time in the tray, it will show us that it's Tuesday on the face of it like this. So that's how you can change the Windows 11 date and time settings manually and also hide the year if you want to. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.